Rig Veda Samhita, exploring the oldest era of human spirituality. Abstract. The Rig Veda Samhita, the oldest and most revered collection of hymns in the Vedic tradition, serves as a window into the spiritual consciousness of ancient India. This article delves into the distinct characteristics, themes, structure, and significance of the Rig Veda Samhita. By exploring these hymns, we uncover the profound spiritual insights and timeless wisdom that have enriched humanity for millennia. Introduction. The Rig Veda Samhita stands as the foundational scripture of the Vedic tradition, encapsulating the spiritual aspirations, cosmological understanding, and poetic brilliance of ancient Indian seers. Composed in the form of hymns, this collection is a reservoir of divine wisdom that has inspired seekers, scholars, and mystics across generations. Distinct characteristics. The Rig Veda Samhita is distinguished by its hymns that celebrate various deities, natural phenomena, and cosmic principles. These hymns are marked by their poetic beauty, vivid imagery, and devotional fervor. The collection is divided into 10 books or mandalas, each containing hymns dedicated to different gods and cosmic phenomena. Themes and structure. The central theme of the Rig Veda Samhita is the reverence and worship of the divine forces that shape the universe. These hymns explore the intricate relationships between gods, humans, and the cosmos. The structure is characterized by the arrangement of hymns into various RCAS verses that are chanted during rituals, ceremonies, and meditations. Spiritual insight and symbolism. Beyond their surface meanings, the Vedic hymns are replete with spiritual insights and symbolic representations. The gods and goddesses represent archetypal principles, cosmic forces, and aspects of the human psyche. The hymns, therefore, serve as vehicles for meditative contemplation, connecting the inner and outer realms. Cosmic vision and harmony. The Rig Veda Samhita presents a holistic view of existence, portraying a harmonious interplay between the celestial and terrestrial realms. The hymns depict the interconnectedness of all life forms and the cosmic order that governs the universe. The language of the hymns emphasizes the rhythm of creation and the unity of all diversity. Legacy and influence. The Rig Veda Samhita forms the bedrock of Indian spirituality and culture. Its hymns have inspired philosophical developments, religious practices, and artistic expressions. The profound insights into cosmology, ethics, and the nature of reality have left an indelible mark on the collective consciousness of humanity. Relevance today. In an era seeking deeper meaning and connection, the Rig Veda Samhita remains profoundly relevant. Its hymns echo with universal truths about the human condition, the nature of divinity, and the harmony of existence, offering insights that resonate with seekers in the modern world. Conclusion. The Rig Veda Samhita stands as an eternal testament to the spiritual genius of ancient seers who channeled their insights into hymns of sublime beauty. Through their exploration of divine forces, cosmic harmony, and the nature of existence, these hymns remind us of the enduring wisdom that transcends time and culture. They invite us to delve into the spiritual tapestry of the ancient Rig Veda, where every verse is a glimpse into the profound mysteries of the universe and the eternal journey of the human spirit.